So it's been a little while and I thought I'd just make a quick video on the Essex again, because over the last couple of days I've been doing some work on it. As you can see, this entire side is now a purpley black colour, and that's because the other day I ripped in and did the front, the firewall, that front, the window frames, and the reason it's all black is because of the Por 15, not the Por 15, sorry, the brunox'ed that I'm using, which gets in and kills whatever rust is in the wire wheels and that can't get out. And then I just got to give that a quick light sand before I give it all a primer. But yeah, so all of these A pillars, that floorboard, the B pillar both sides, the continuation of that floorboard, that wheel arch and around the back, as well as that inner wheel, have all now been done. So I basically only, and that inner wheel there has actually been done too. So really I've only got the step, the A pillar and that B pillar and those couple of cross rails left. So yeah, it's coming along. I have had to drill out what was the bolt holes for the old floorboard. That one's still got one in it. I missed one, but probably 8 out of the 10 were all rusted in place and I couldn't get them out. So yeah, I've just drilled them out with a 10mm drill bit, and I'll either put a riv nut in there, but it looks as if they are actually like a hexagonal hole, or squared off, squared off, squared off, squared off, and around or something. But I'll put a 10mm through there, and I have a heap of riv nuts, so I'll either riv nut it or just bolt straight through it and then put a nut up from underneath to hold it all in place, and just put a countersunk screw into the marine ply that I plan on using. But yeah, I just thought I'd give you a quick update. I've done that. I've got all the dash out as well, so the rest of the dash is now out, and I'm going to start chipping away at what left of the underfelt there, and not the underfelt, it's like a hard textured crap, and it's all up under here, so I'm going to get in and do all of that as well. But yeah, the last couple of days it's just been grinding and getting it back to bare steel, and then doing that. The only hole that I have found is that there, which is a bit of a shit, but I should be able to do something with that. It's right on the join, but that is the only hole I've found so far in the whole body, which I think is pretty good considering this thing's 90 something odd years old. What else have I got to tell you? No, that's all done, that's all done. Oh, I made a stand up there, so all my seats and that are now up here. I've got all the bits that I've been blasting in my little blaster cabinets, all my window channels and stuff are all up in there as well. Got the grill, the rear panel, the front bumper up there, and then there's all my guards, my hood in 4 pieces because I disassembled it, all the brake rods, everything else that I've been cleaning up and Por 15ing at this stage. 2 of the guards are going to need some repair work unless I can find some better ones, but they're not that bad. It's just cracks where the seam is that comes out here and goes up there at the same time. It's just cracked in that little join, probably just from flexing. So yeah, in the next couple of days I'll hopefully be able to rip in and finish that. You can see that I've started doing that. That's just with a fabric wheel at this stage. Then I'll go over it with the wire wheel, which I need to get another couple of and do that. Oh, I've still got to take that out. And up in there. So yeah, watch the space. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks all that floorboard will done. I might even get the floors made up because I have some marine ply sitting over there from the tray of the Apache and from some of the stuff left over from the walls. That's my Father's Day present from my son. So yeah, coming along quite nicely. Hey buddy dog, let's go.